Oh, I don't know.
You're confused.
Yeah, I'm confused.
The man come and get it. That's silence, sir.
Yeah, but I have to buy something from you still. I have to buy something, but I can't.
Silence, sir.
Silence. I never know them.
Silence, silence.
What's happening here?
Everything at this stage, sir.
Bless. Yeah, slides here and something. Okay, I'll come here. Hello? These are the fish that you're serving there? You catch a fish and eat it? Oh, so it's actually true. I thought I can pick that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's actually true. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty cool. So yes, peeps, I was on my way to Ocho Rios. And now I understand why so much public passenger vehicles have to have accidents. Because these taxi drivers, bus drivers, they are always in a hurry. I mean literally in a hurry. They drive so fast, trust me. I drive fast sometimes, but when I'm driving myself, these public passenger vehicles, trust me, them drive hard. And them not stay behind a vehicle. You know? Yeah, this is on my way to Ocho Rios and I couldn't wait for reach peeps. Because just imagine me after meeting an accident the other day, just the other day meeting an accident. And this driver was really pressing. As we say in Jamaica, him in a tappy night. Anyway, peeps, thanks for watching the video. Big up on yourself. Continue to watch the video.
I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself.
So yes, peeps, we are in Ocho after a long drive. Finally reached out Ocho, peeps. I didn't realize that Ocho was so far from Montego Bay. Montego Bay is so far from Ocho. I was driving like crazy and couldn't reach, peeps. Yeah, and only for argument, almost fighting at the bus and crazy driving. But anyhow, yeah, not to introduce myself for those who just coming across the channel. For those who just coming across the channel, this is your boy Oli Fire 777. Yeah. So today we're in Ocho Rios. And I'm in trouble from the longest while now, peeps. But realize that so far Ocho there from Galtigo Bay. So I have a bottle in my hand, so I'm looking for a trash can to throw it in. I think it's one way down there, so. Because, as I say all the while, don't dirty up Jamaica. And you have to start with the man in the mirror. So, you know, don't dirty up Jamaica. So a lot of us travel in vehicle and I have garbage in our hand and we just throw it. So, I always practice. Find somewhere decent. There's a dumpster or something to throw it. In Jamaica they don't really have dumpster, but they have garbage bin. Yeah. Alright. So yes, peeps, as me say, we're in Ocho Rios. I'm to check out the town. You have a place in Ocho to come. Yeah, all other places in Ocho to come. So I could just walk and see what we see. So let's just walk. And only for tourists in town also. Yeah. So this is the craft market, peeps. Alright, so let's go up this side and then walk come back down this side. So we're gonna go up here, so yeah. We're gonna walk up this side. Yaman Island Apparel. So I have a look at gift shop and stuff like that. You know, Ocho Rios is another tourist this kind of attraction. Huh? Right. So come on over. So there you go, peeps. Yeah. So as we say, we are in Ocho, Rios. I was home and I didn't looking some place to go. And I said, where should I go? So I say, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna come to Ocho people. But today I left out is I hate these bikes. Right. So the bike there, I mean, not nice. So Mr. Peeps, we're gonna walk up the road and then walk come back down. Check out some places. There's lots of places in Ocho, but based on the hours that I reach in Ocho, most places are like the attractions and stuff. It's like 4 o'clock now. So a lot of the places are almost closed now, are looking to close now. A lot of them looking to close now. Yeah. Somebody was trying to reach me on this phone. Oh, see? Oh, you know, it's trying to come. We have more than one craft market, not Ocho. It's the one on the sun, it's the one I saw. I didn't even realize that. Ah. More than one craft market. No, we're in a craft market today, peeps. Already late. Just walk the streets. Another day walk in a craft market. So Ocho definitely have to come and watch you another day. Because I'm say, reach Ocho late. Yeah. Oh. Yes, Papa. Evening. A 2 craft market have a watch it?
One down the road, the first one behind us.
Oh, this is a bigger one.
This is a Ocho craft market, that's a whole market.
Whole market. Okay. Alright, cool. So okay, so you have whole market down the road and this is Ocho craft market. Huh? Record? I seen record. I can go look on them. Yeah, oh well, I don't know why you got to advise me. I forgot link him back. Yo. Yeah, I gotta link him back. Probably tomorrow or so, but in the different the one you deal with them things for you.
I live in Thumb Drive.
Thumb Drive?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thumb Drive, the record and a CD.
Yeah, that record.
The music.
I haven't seen record in a long time. So what? You still have turntable like to play them there, no?
Yeah, man, you still have turntable, man. I Japanese, German, Italian, by the all the while.
Okay,
And
cool.
English people.
Okay.
By the all the while.
Earth, Wind and Fire. Remember that long time band there?
Yeah. Yeah, everything. See that turn,
It's a Elvis.
Yeah.
Elvis. Yo. The great Elvis.
See that turn.
Tina Turner. I know behind him. Smokey Robinson.
George Banton.
George Banton. Whoa. It's a classic you have that is. Them a classic, you know. You know, if you sell them yet, you can wait first. Years to come, you get more money. Oh, you get more for them. How much are them here?
$10.
Which one should I buy? Nothing know which one to buy.
Alright, you want to.
Honestly. But it's a classic.
Lionel Richie.
Lionel Richie.
Lionel.
You think?
Alimutu.
Huh?
Imutu. Tom Jones.
Tom Jones? No, me like
it.
Yeah, me like them one here. Like Steve. Oh, that was Steven Lawrence. Moon River. It's not for me to say. Yeah. But them I'm say them are classic, daddy. Classic. I have to hold one of them.
Billy Ocean.
Billy Ocean. Hey. Hold on, me kind of confused. Elvis. And the one they have some white Jesus on it.
Motown Great.
Motown. Yeah, Motown. Whoa.
Diana Ross.
Mm-hmm.
The Manhattan.
Yeah.
Four Tops.
Yeah.
Good one.
Whoa. I don't know.
You're confused.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Come on, come and get it. That's silence, sir.
Yeah, but I have to buy something from you still. I have to buy something, but I can't.
Silence.
Silence. I never know them.
Silence, silence.
No, I don't know them.
And good man.
And this what? Is it Jude's? Jude's.
Yeah, Jude's.
Jude's. Yeah, Jude's. Whenever. I know. I rather than me.
Yeah, you're from.
It's Dana Fergus.
First there.
Presley. Elvis.
Percy Sledge.
Oh, Percy Sledge. Yeah. Percy Sledge. Okay.
Charlie Bogdan.
Man. Uncle Donald in there. Sure, Uncle Donald. Oh my word. Let me see. Let me calm down. Let me see what I'm going to take. Let me see. Smokey Robinson. Right, and this Elvis. I'm not too into Michael, I'll tell you the truth still.
Al Green.
Eh?
Al Green.
Al Green. Al Green. I'm still with you. Okay.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
No, I don't really like Jackson, tell you the truth. I like people who don't like themselves.
That is nice.
Lionel Richie. What option should I choose? Let me see. Lionel Richie.
Good album that. You know you can sing.
So it look like long time this one record now, daddy. Oh my word.
Pretty man, pretty.
Yeah. But it's a Motown.
Hey.
A Motown record?
Hey.
Okay.
Spin as that.
Okay.
Franklin.
Anita Franklin. Party LaBelle. Used to like a drift away. Yeah. Eh? Hold on there. Hold on. Little bit there. Alright. I'm gonna put it again. Just put so. Mr. Lionel Richie. I don't know why, but I got the Lionel Richie.
The Canada one.
Canada one?
Steady.
Oh, I just found the Lionel Richie. Just one may I buy?
All?
Yeah. One may I buy for now. I just want to have it as, I say now, my collection. Because I've never won one.
There, sir.
No. I work at Lionel Richie. Yeah.
You're a CD.
Eh? No. So 10 Jamaican dollar fee?
US.
Eh?
US, 10 US.
I'm just messing with that. Trouble there, man. I couldn't 10 Jamaican dollar. See if they can hold on my back now. Hopefully he can hold on my back.
You know who this?
Yeah?
I tell you know who this?
Who this? Marvin Gaye. Yeah, I've heard of him. Apparently he can hold on my back. Say big piece of cocaine on my hand. I won't say no. And that's Rich. Yeah.
Lionel Richie.
Lionel Richie. Can't slow down. Okay. I hear about him too.
Well, it's yeah.
Eh?
And this.
Yeah. Oh Lord. So when you're new to something? Well, don't unnoticed. Okay, can't slow down. I may work with that one here, daddy.
Okay.
Work with this one. Yeah. I gotta work with this one. Can't hold my bag, so just bring it in my hand. Yeah, well, thank you, daddy. So, what's my name?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Oh. So they call it yellow.
Yeah.
So they come to Ocho Craft Market. That is right across from NCB Bank. Call them yellow, right at the front or so. Alright, big up yourself, daddies. Yeah. Yeah. So yes, babes. Ask me why I buy a record. I don't know. I just wanted to support daddy. So I support him. I never won a record yet. So I know it's a classic collection this. Hopefully years to come, I can sell it back. I can put it on auction and eBay. I like why I pay a $10 US feet. You can get 10,000 US feet. Eh? You know the funny. Yeah. But it's a Ocho craft market. Big, it's a shame piece. At the time, as I say, it's late evening now. And we've been traveling from morning. From there really. Leave out from Mobile late. So I'm gonna have to come back another day and we can circle the craft market then. Yeah, that's already late. This is a club. Yeah, I'm going to a club peeps. I don't like indoor place, I like outdoor. So it's almost 5 o'clock. What can I say? In a Ocho, Rios. And I'm ready to walk, so I remember I tried the bus park there. Yeah, I think I know I tried the bus park there. So I'm now walking further place. Go across the street and walk down and say I get something to eat. In a Ocho, Rios. So let me get some read. I don't know if it's a one way. I'm not even sure. A one way this daddy? I did not give my answer me. I'm not here, I'm sure. Yeah, so everywhere have gift shop. And this is what Sun's Plaza. No, Ocho, Rios. Yeah. Dentist. So right about now I feel like I should get a bag to put my record in because people are going to look. And in Jamaica, anyway, we see beryllium mark on vehicle, people always walk far from a vehicle. If you know, you know. If you're a Jamaican, you know, you know. Jamaica Tours Limited. Safe remember to the bus park, the peeps. Because one time I never used to take bus from Ocho, you know. Just a couple of times. Not really. You know where the bus park is and stuff like that. Think of something up there, so. Yeah, like up there, so. Yeah, I think it's up there. Yeah, all the vehicle I'm gonna go up there, so I see me like up there, so. Bus park there. I know. You know you're going to Jamaica now, you have fast food franchises. You have Burger and you have King of Burger. Yeah. So where shall I get something to eat? You know I'm gonna eat fast food. So I gotta go here somewhere I can get something to eat. One of these days I want to go to Duns River. I haven't been to Duns River in like over 10, 12 years. So I really want to go there too. One of these days go explore. I haven't been to Duns River in a long time. Long time. So this is the art of Ocho, Rios. And peeps, from the Jamaica, you have to be careful on the vehicle that you actually take because these drivers, trust me, they drive really fast. And if you watch my videos, you know, so just the other day I had an accident. Nothing was wrong with me, even though after that my hand kind of hurt me. I wonder, could be my nerves or my mind, but I'm wondering. But you know, you gotta be careful because these drivers drive like them crazy. Literally crazy. They drive real hard pace. And it don't really matter. They might drive car or bus or taxi. They drive hard. Real hard pace. Oh, this is Old Market, as him say. Oh, I'm walking as a pace and look. This Old Market. Okay. Hello. Oh, this is Old Market. What's that? People pack up to go home. So I'm not gonna really go far.
Where are you?
I'm just looking. I'm not gonna really walk far in the deep because people kind of close up now. Yeah. But I think Ocho get more support from tourists. When the craft vendors get more support. I assume based on they are in the center of the town and all that, and tourists walk a lot here. Unlike some other places where they would normally drop them off, tourists them in some places where they sell craft. So we are in Ocho, Rios. Make you see what I go on and what I go on here. Yes. Now I want to come to Jamaica and I really come and watch it. I pass through 1 and 2 times. You know, and thing. And when you go to Jamaica, no, that's the thing now. If you are not giving the street people, just the street people are the homeless. If you're not giving them anything, you should make fun of them. Because that wasn't nice. You know, some people, sometimes we expect people to be like we, but people not going to be like we. Some people just mean. Because if you're definitely not give him anything, you're not going to give him anything, leave him alone. Yeah. Put it that way. Yeah. Well, so me, I can't give everybody. I wish I could. Yeah. If I give everyone, then I won't have none at all but myself. To be honest. I'm just reach out commercial. Okay. So $200 a park over there, so. Alright, so let's see what we can get down here to eat with. I'm gonna go across back the road. I'm prone that. I one of the big vehicle I'm gonna respect Jamaica. Remember they have a blaze up on grades. And high grade is legal in Jamaica, peeps, as in weed or whatever you want to call it. It is legal. You can travel with it up to 2 ounce, was it? I think 2 ounce. You can travel up to 2 ounce, correct me if I'm wrong. I think about 2 ounce you can travel with. And that's okay. But you should be able to travel more than that in my point of view. So let me see where. It's the bar and grill. Music. Let me see myself in the upstairs building. Like. Sometimes we see people on the road, people that we think they're mad. They're not really mad. We say mad. Arafan. So in mind, things where people go through, that people go through, that is the reason why they are the way they are. Sometimes it's just depression. It's just depression why some people look the way that they look. Depression. Depression, first global corporate. I know what time I'm gonna get back to Montego Bay. Probably before 7 o'clock. Main reason why it took me so long to get to Ocho Rios. Welcome to Turtle what? Welcome to Turtle Park. Opening hours. Let me see. Let me go across to the Turtle Park. You know, I remember them place here years ago. Years ago. Let me see. Turtle Park River opening hours Monday to Friday 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, Saturday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Attraction, rates for parking, photo session, wedding and commercial, wedding ceremonies, kiddies, parties, whatever. So let me see what they have over here. Let me just walk. I just walk. I always like to see. Just Don't just visit, feel the Caribbean. Okay. Okay. So they have weddings and stuff over here actually. Seems nice. Landscaping not too bad. Yep. So let me see if I can get some food over here. I assume that they have it. Yeah. And see restrooms right there. Papa P. Why do I love to call elder people Papa P or stuff like that? The exit coming soon, step on. Just don't be here, man. Oh, actually, I don't know where to go. Oh, so this Turtle River Park. Okay. Oh, so I guess this is just like a park, like. I don't remember this. I don't remember if I ever come over here at no time at all. I don't recall coming over here. Okay. So this is a park you can chill out. Cool. With you and your family. Cool. Nice. What do you mean? Park. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. And it's in the middle of the town. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Oh, and I guess this road leading out of, let me see. I guess this road leading out to, oh, okay. Okay, I think I know here. I don't know. Turtle River Park. Okay. So I'm gonna turn back because I need something to eat. And I'm looking for a restaurant. Closest one. Preferably one that is upstairs. They have security over here too. Food. So I guess it's a free park to explore. Weddings and stuff like that. Okay. Yes, peeps. Doesn't say? Within Ocho, Rios. Boy, oh, no, say again. Yeah. And I hate these bikes. Yeah. Why the fuck now? Yeah man, you have to do that to bring him earlier because I assume that they go for lunch because they're retired people, they're retired. So they go for lunch, so you have to link him earlier than that. Yeah, because apparently them they want that they go for lunch. So you have to link them earlier. Let's do that. So yes, peeps. Yeah. You know my video them kinda edited but unedited in some sense. Yeah. Sometimes I can't stop recording and stuff like that. It's easier for me when I record straight instead of, you know, yeah, cutting out certain things. That's why when you're around me, you have to be careful what you say. Because you have to wonder if it's a tape. But most likely, it will be taping. No, restaurant and lawn. Okay. Restaurant and lawn. Okay. But I need somewhere upstairs. Okay. Oh, this is a one way. Professional air braiding. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. And anywhere going in Jamaica, the gullies, it's not too bad still, but me hate say rubbish in the gully them. Hello, miss.
Hello.
Show me one nice restaurant out here, so never here, so.
Over San Castle, I have a restaurant upstairs.
Right here?
Yeah, just go through the gate and tell the security I
That's
go to
seafood?
restaurant. I don't know what they must serve now, but if you want seafood, you have to go over Island Village. Over Ocean 11.
How far the friend side is there?
Alright. Right. First turn off, you go through the street.
Okay.
You know, you carry over Margaritaville?
Oh, yeah.
Island Village over there.
Alright, thanks.
Ocean 11 over there.
Alright, thanks. Alright. Yeah, so, yeah. Up there, some more seems building like, as in enclosed building. I don't like restaurant in enclosed building, I like outside. Some of me feel trapped when I'm in the enclosed building. Give me outdoor restaurant all the time. All the time. Yeah, even like up there, so Billa's Art Cafe, Italian street with Jamaican artists. Okay. Yeah, well, I don't need an Italian. I need straight Jamaican. One Love, One Plaza. Cool. And this is a bar on the side of the road here, so that's not bad. Yeah. But I like me some near waterfront, something. Yeah. Never. And if I get sale for this, I would sell it. I bought it for $10 US. So what if somebody wanna buy back from me? How much should I sell it for? I would say $150. This is classic. This is classic. This is not easily come by. And I'm sure probably if daddy, God forbid, and daddy should pass away, some of grandkids and stuff, they wouldn't find it that useful. They just throw it out. Because they wouldn't, you know? Because young people are like that. Oh, Island Village. Okay. Oh, over here, huh? Yeah. Thing of the same parking lot, Margaritaville. Use as well. The work in progress, tourist enchantment fun. Yeah. So let me see where the restaurant is. Shop, eat, play, explore, Rios, Jamaica. Cool. So this is Island Village, peeps. And if I am right, I should walk here and that's the parking lot. Don't know, so VIP, paid parking, free parking. Okay. So no Chassasin. Restaurant closed. Should you go to restaurant, daddy? Huh? Should you find a restaurant? Inside. Where? What? There's someone going inside. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, right here you walk. Bless. Oh.
I want to remember my face.
You remember your face, man? You mean man, I remember your face. Remember your face, man? Man look like a big man.
Cooler man. Raga was Linstead.
Yeah, man look like a big man for me.
See I come across and I say, "Man, look like Raga, son."
Yeah, all the man voice look big. Oh, you look like me now grow.
Yeah, man, about this. Happy to see you about me, General. Long time, years, man.
True, man.
Yeah, man, I'm a old man too. I have some old man business there. Old man, I use fat.
Yeah,
man, Jimmy, man, I'm an old man. That's how we do the thing, man.
Alright, bless up.
Raga than, man.
Pick up yourself, man.
Guidance, man.
Alright, I'll look at food over here, so.
Alright,
brother. So you see also document, special restaurant, Okay. I remember his name, but I remember his face. Little boy for me. Look at him peeps, he look big. Little boy. But he looks so big. Look big in a body. But of course, he's a kid for me. When I say a kid, I mean a kid for me. I'm trying to figure out how to get in this place. Where the restaurant is and shit like that. I have no idea. Oh, see next entrance there. Here's the next entrance there. So this is Island Village, Ocho, Rios. And so peeps, I'm gonna take you on some tour with me, exploring Jamaica. We're not explore Jamaica like Dora. Oh, okay, and here so you can get okay. No outdoor food or drink. Okay. Hello. Outside is the restaurant again.
Restaurant?
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't even know. I'm from granite and seafood.
Oh. Java's seafood up here. You have some Indian rice over there. You have steak here on that side. You have margarita around that side.
Margarita all the way around the side?
Yes.
Oh, close to the sea? Yeah, that's my kind of thing.
Okay,
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So, no seating for me. It's no. Oh, let me see. I think I walk here. So let's go get something to eat, peeps. Let's go get some food instead seaside, souvenir, healthy wellness. Okay. Oh, a lot of tourists over here and things. Oh, I'm gonna charge them tourist price. The thing is, in a peeps, when you're going to tourist resort areas, they normally want to give you tourist price. And I ain't no tourist. Margaritaville, okay. Seat near. Hello, miss. Yeah. Another seat, right? Alright, that one is taken. Okay. Welcome to Margaritaville, Ocho, please. So let's see what we can get to eat. Let me see how long for a waiter to come to me. Yes, peeps, this is what's happening here. Bless. Yeah, flags there and something. I think I come here, wait, no long, good while now. On Father's Day, I came here. I'm so long for a waiter come to me. Because I am hungry. too. Let me see what they have for me. The soup, and this is what menu. Looking shrimp, taco, chicken. And what I don't like, a lot of these places, they have island fish sandwich, I need that. Jerk, whatever. Seafood, sugar, Caribbean shrimp, blah 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 blah. Oh, small. Oh, I guess you can't find them for myself, please. Fish taco, fried fish in a signature beer bottle, wrapped in 3 grilled flour, turtle, Oh, do you taste this now? Oh, this is a drink. This, I'm looking. Sometimes I want to restaurant, it's in place like Jamaican. Or island fish sandwich. I don't know fish sandwich.
Guy come up to me and say that she was on the thing and somebody pushed her.
Where? Hello? Yeah. So yes, peeps, this is what I get for the Margaritaville in Ocho Rios. Yes, this is my escabage fish with mashed potato. And it tastes real good. Yeah, not taste bad. Yeah, I never taste the fish yet. I'm some sample of the fish because I know when it comes on to fish, I'm a specialist. And yeah, it tastes alright, but you don't know, I could have done it better. I could definitely do a better job. You know, I consider nobody can do fish as good as me. To be honest, and that is not bragging or tooting my own horn, but definitely I can do a better job. But anyhow, tastes good. So I'm hungry, so I'm going to go full jar my food. So link on the back when I'm done. So yes peeps, let's get on out of here and head on back into Montego Bay. So we're leaving Ocho and heading back to Montego Bay. So I came, I saw, and I conquered, and I'm back on my way to Montego Bay. So let's get on out of here peeps. So if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire, love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, so stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Let's get on out of here. Where did I walk? Where did I walk? I guess it's here. Yeah. So they got tough gang trading and stuff like that. We got gift shops. Wow. A lot of different things here. So yes peeps, I had myself a fish but wasn't as I expected. Fireman? Yes, I say you're an artist? Yeah. Okay. Okay, and this is called a canvas, right? Okay, cool. Nice art piece. What's my name?
Philip.
Eh?
Philip. Yeah.
Philip. Oh, okay. Okay, Mr. Phillipson. So Philip do all of them art here. So go so far. How much them piece I go for?
$25.
Okay, it's pretty reasonable.
$50.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so you go, sir. Yeah, so that's Rasta Philip. He's an artist. And he does his thing on canvas. I don't know peeps, without Rasta I can't nice. Yeah, I said it. Can I walk around so don't? I assume. Yeah, so there's a lot of chill spot here, peeps. Chill. Wow. Yeah, man. This is cool, peeps. Yeah, I've never been around. I've been over here, but I've never been around this side. This is nice, peeps. Look at this. Wow. I like this. Can't believe I've been over here before, roughly about 2 to 3 years ago. And I didn't see this side. So you go. Yeah. I never seen this side. Yo. So you know I gotta make reels for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Yo. When you're a content creator, trust me, your work never end, peeps. Fish a biggie, man. Oh my gosh. Where else I didn't get fish to eat? Where else I didn't get the fish then? Where else I didn't get them? I don't know. For around here, peeps, to get them. But these fish are huge. No, that one fish. I miss a bigger fish than that cayman, yes? Like it tarpons them. But them fish look eating like they couldn't just grow them. I guess they grow them to eat them. I would think so. I think they grow them to eat them. I think they really grow them to eat them. Oh, these fish are like so huge. Yeah, fish look nice. I must run and say and grow them to eat them. I must ask. They must grow them fish to eat them, peeps. The nice fish I can just there so. But look like tilapia. A lot of them look like tilapia. Yeah, look like tilapia. The big, extreme big one. Look like overgrown tilapias. So yeah, so Jam India. We have an Indian restaurant. This is coming out like this. Wow. Yeah, but restaurant and also really look nice, peeps. So there's a place to chill out. So next time I come over here, peeps. Yeah, when me and Boo come. Next time me and Boo come, I definitely have to go. Hello. Hello, nice lady. Can you do me a favor, please?
Sure.
Can you take a picture? Charge me.
Huh?
Charge me.
If you want to leave a tip, no problem.
Tip? I don't see you wearing heels, so you don't need a tips.
That's no matter.
I want the background, this background.
Oh, you need this background.
Yeah.
Remember what your big fish there?
So living watch you now, normally come here.
Sure you don't want that background?
Yeah, I want both.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. And that one also. Yeah. Thank you very much.
It's still a turn upside down, I'm not free.
Oh man, it's okay.
Okay.
I will fix it. Thank you very much.
No, darling.
You don't live here in Ocho? You live at Ocho?
Yes. Not watching now.
Huh?
No.
Oh, come here, so if you never come on here, so.
My first year come with only kids.
Oh, I thought you guys live here, I miss live and not come here. First me.
My first year come too?
No, I've been over here, but I've never been around this side.
See,
I had no idea that this was here. So I kind of wonder if they cook them fish here.
You can't eat it.
And I usually catch here and they
That's what I'm thinking.
I think so, man. Let me see it on TikTok.
Oh, you mean the restaurant that this one here, sir?
Yeah.
You catch it?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Okay, pretty cool. That's what I'm saying. Them fish here look like eating fish. Yeah.
I will catch the big one, but what you know, then say if you catch it by your teeth, so you got how much you fish, so all the big ones.
You eat fish?
You know, son of fish.
Okay.
Bone.
No man, if it's smaller ones, they have more bone. Bigger one, they don't have enough bone. They have big ones. But even this one, trust me.
Oh, I can't catch that.
You will catch him, man. Water shallow, what can I did? Water shallow. If the phone drop, you can get it. A waterproof. Oh. Yeah, water clean. I'm only for seawater. Probably seawater. It should be seawater. And I think of fresh water. I think of seawater. I should think so. Because regular water, pipe water, so it have different color, green or something. But the seawater, sea salt. Yeah. I would think so. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. But this is cool. No, but you couldn't get all that fish. I guess I'll share it for you and a group of you.
Maybe I give my
Slice it and fry him up.
Maybe a big one.
I think probably him staying there and get that big. I'm thinking, yeah. Because them small one they grow that big enough. Look like a tilapia. Like tilapia. Yeah man, it's a lot of fish. What does it say? I think about that. This is something that on TikTok they showed. I saw something that on TikTok where they said you catch your own fish. So whenever they look say here, so I had no idea. It's Jamaican cuisine, okay. But they don't have no sign or nothing say you catch a fish. Because that would mean attract me more.
Okay.
I just eat a fish a while ago, even if I know I don't want to catch my fish and eat. I just finished eat one. Oh, this is nice. I didn't see nobody to ask. Hello, sir. Hello. These are the fish that you're serving there? You catch a fish and eat it? Yeah. Oh, so it's actually true. I saw something on TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's actually true. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty cool. This was very thoughtful of the person to do something like this still. Yeah, that's business.
Yeah.
That's real business, Edit. So here you got your weed treats, cannabis, cigar, and hookah. So there are a lot of different restaurants and stuff here. Whoa. And places you can take pictures and stuff. Wow. Ocho is a normal place. Ocho is nice. Ocho's Rios, nice peeps. Oh, so right back up here to the restaurant, they had water right around. Catch your fish and eat your fish. Whoa, just imagine that, peeps. You just imagine something like that. Isn't that nice? That is like so awesome. I was just about to say I was going around in circle, but I just realized. So Jamaica Money Market Brokers Group the here too. Okay, cool. Okay. So we got a lot of restaurants here. Enough respect. Okay. And you got a little water park here for kids. Cool. Staff entrance. So let me go pee, peeps, and then I get out of here. Let me go pee. So I came, I saw, and I conquered. So I am heading back into Galtigo Bay. So yes, peeps, and yeah, and I mean, that is why always when you go out, you must always talk for your right and still something you don't like it, because I had a fish. Fish wasn't that as I expected to be, so I got a discount also. Yeah, and that was good, and I love that. That's good customer service for me. Yeah, that's very good customer service, so I like that. Yeah, that's good customer service. So anyhow, I am on my way. Oh, and I see big fishes. So it's supposed to be some from a river water or something, should think. Yes, peeps. So it's another day in Rios. It's a good day, even though I came here late. Next time I want to come here earlier. far earlier. I wanna come here far earlier next time, where I can have more time to go places. Yeah. And if I want to play some Bob Marley. So now I head to the bus park to get a Arbor Shops. Okay. So now I'm in the bus park to get a vehicle that going to Montego Bay. And it's after 5, so I'm expecting to get to Montego Bay by 7:30. Yeah. Yeah. So it was a nice day, peeps, in Montego Bay. Yembo, Montego Bay. In Ocho, Rios. I'm almost forgetting where I'm at. I've gotten so used to being in Montego Bay that may I say Ocho, Rios. Montego Bay, I should say. Yeah. Yeah, so sometimes I try to speak a bit of English because especially one of my subscribers, Joan, Sister Joan, she don't understand Fatwa. She said, I don't understand what you guys talking when you guys talking. I don't get what you're saying. Yes, so sis, you have to be around more Jamaicans, yeah, to understand when we talk. Because, you know, everybody loves Fatwa. And babes, if you watch my channel, you know, from afar, that white vehicle there, that's a Hilux. Yeah, that's a Hilux, and it looks real nice based on, you know, yeah, how it look from the side. Yeah, the GoPro not picking it up, but it's very nice. Oh my lord, I love me a Hilux. Yeah, Hilux is not a family vehicle for me because it's kind of a little bit higher for my little ones to climb up in it and all of that, but definitely, yeah, I love my Hilux. My Hilux is more like to drive in the country. It's definitely more like a country vehicle. Take on Jamaica country road because it's rugged and potholes. So that's the main reason for getting one. That's the main reason for getting one. So your space after a little chaos with the bus and thing coming to Ocho, it turned out to be a very good and a productive day, you know. And I didn't have any plan this morning when I get up. I wasn't like, okay, I'm gonna come to Ocho. I didn't have that in mind. Because actually I was looking for places. I was looking for places in Montego Bay to go. But then when I was looking for places in Montego Bay, they were showing me some more touristic thing that I'm gonna pay a whole lot of money to go. I'm not a tourist to go pay them. Yeah, I wanna go places that I go there and I pay the money to go in and buy food, I eat, or I buy a drink and drink. That's my thing, and I need to be paying a big fee to go see anywhere. I'm not a tourist. Yeah, I just wanna go somewhere where I can vlog and all that. Yeah, so that was it. So let's jump on a bus and say, okay, let me see what Ocho do. But in life, peeps, whatever you do, you have to put God first. So you ask him, where shall I go today? Spirit lead me. Whether you want a spirit or a spiritualness or nature, mother nature, whatever you want to put it, just to lead me. And it will actually lead you to wherever you go. You just don't think that you're operating in this world just by yourself, and you know, yeah, you have your own will and all of that, but that's it. You don't control how things really works. Yeah, you can speak things into being, but you don't really control it. Yeah. The Turtle River Park is closed. So that is Turtle River Park over there. Okay. So let's cross the road. I guess it's a one-way. I assume it's a one-way. I don't see, but I assume it's a one-way because I don't see any vehicle coming down the road. And as I say, in Jamaica, you're definitely gonna hear a lot of music playing wherever you go. That's one of the things with Jamaica that I love also. You're not gonna pass and it's like so quiet. Every restaurant and stuff. Got a little music going on. And there's a lot of places to go, peeps. A whole lot of places to go. And I've seen a lot of youths that I know also. Just a while ago I passed one right there. Look older than me. And this is also a nice art piece also. It's a country bus. Uncle Sonny. Uncle Sonny. There was a bus I used to run from guys in here. Uncle Sonny. Yeah, nice art piece. It's an art gallery. Aval's art gallery. Wow. I'm gonna get myself some art collection also, but more Jamaican piece. I like Jamaican piece more. Of country and rural areas. Yeah, I like that more. Oh, what they have here for gaming. So it says gaming here, and they said they are hiring. We are hiring. Let me see what they're hiring. What is here? Okay, REN Arena Gaming. Okay. I don't know. What kind of gaming is that? I don't know what kind of gaming is that. So majority of these places closing up, business is closing up. But Ocho Rios definitely have a nightlife also. You know, a lot of guest houses and hotels in Ocho Rios. People want to mingle, mix and mingle with the locals. So most definitely we're gonna have a lot of most definitely gonna have a lot of places open until late. And just a while ago I felt my wallet in my pocket and realized that it was all the way like it's about to fall out. Yeah, like it's about to fall out, so I fix it. But as I believe, the righteous will lose nothing. Yeah. Let me see if I remember where the bus stop is again, peeps. Where the bus stop at? Let me see if I remember. Let me see if I remember. Transport Center. Transport Center. So these are vehicles that run in Ocho Rios. I don't think up here say bus park there. Let me see. No, I don't think up here say bus park there. I think bus park there somewhere out here, so I didn't even mark the street from the other day. What the name of the street the bus park is, and that is not good. I should have marked it.
When you look at people and hear people talk to me certain way, then just look and laugh and shake their head.
I know you. I know you don't talk, George.
So it's what?
I haven't seen that phone in a long time. At least I respect pedestrian crossing in Ocho Rios. I've never seen this in Jamaica. Unless it's like after the light change red and all of that. But normally, people don't respect pedestrian crossing in Jamaica. First I ever see this. Honestly. They come to a stop right there. I have never seen that. I am surprised. Let me see up here, so. I'm gonna have some money. Papa pay. My bus park there again. Let's start down there, so. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. You can want this too? Oh, you want yes, sir? Alright. Alright, bless. Yes, peeps, I did remember to look at the street where the bus park is, because as a matter of fact I didn't come off at the bus park. I came off further down the road here, so. But I could always Google it if I choose, but I choose not to. Couldn't bother. So you see you go up there, and I think I do have an idea. You see you go up. I think it's a police station nearby, something like that. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see peeps. Wellness. Okay. So this is Ocho, Rios peeps. Yeah, and I'm doing another walking in Jamaica, as you can see. Yeah, because you see my belly is getting big, which is I was putting on some weight on my belly. So sometimes I have 2 meals a day or 1 meal a day, and I did a snack after that, and doing a bit more walking. Yeah, exercise and take off the belly, cause I don't want a big belly. You know what they say about big belly man in Jamaica? Big belly man, big belly man. So big belly man can't stand for long. I don't know. I just don't want a big belly. So what me see now? And so you come up here, so I stop light and go left. Oh, okay, let me see. That means over there, so. Let me see, me answer there again. Papa, try the bus part there. Try the bus part there. Okay, alright, thanks. So, up there, so. Yeah, you can see you come and stop light and go left. So, let's see, peeps. Oh. Nice vehicles in Jamaica. X6, yeah. BMW X6. Yeah, BMW extremely fast. You guys who own BMW know that. It's very fast. It's very fast. I'm longing to drive a BMW. A lot of walking for me, not true. Walk don't kill you, make you stronger. I'm looking for the bus park, peeps. Where's the bus park? Like, seriously? Is the bus park that far? Oh. And then you have so much traffic to come out and watch it. Like, serious? Look, traffic pile up like crazy. And up in the hills, you have so much nice houses. All the way up in the hills. Look there. Wow, look at that. A lot of houses up in the hills. Oh, so this is traffic. Evening traffic, you know, just reach us. Alright. Into the bus park. I remember I drive through there one time. I come down here. So, yes. I came around there. And I drive through there. Remember me still in bus park? I'm gonna stay so. Yeah, I'm not giving young people the money. That's just a habit for them to ask the money. Let me see. Oh, I see something like a bus park over there, so. Look, so. Yeah, this looks like a Buckeye bus park. I assume. Yeah. Can't last. Can't last. I can't further up the road, so. And you see the road busy now, peeps. So when the road busy, so the vehicle ain't not stop. So what you do? You have to walk out in it like this and go so. Yeah. Because they ain't gonna come to a complete stop. So sometimes you have to walk out and stop too. Not say you to walk out and it hit you, but you can avoid them hitting you. Yeah, see bus park over here. A bus park? Let me see. Let me see. Oh Lord, the funny bus park. Yeah, it look like bus park and it look like another bus park. Like seriously? Holy smoke, this is not the bus park. Should me stroll up a vehicle over here so it's more over here say bus park. But this is not the bus park. It's like a Basketball, something I play over there, so. God. Am I last? No, I'm not last. I don't say I'm last, I'm not last. I am not last. Just that I have to go further. In the wash bus, so. I just got to go up further. I just got to walk further, peeps. I can't believe the bus park was this far. I thought I came off near the bus park. I thought I came off near the bus park. Somehow won't believe me. I came off of the bus near the bus park. Oh, there's a nice basketball court over here. Cool. This is Jamaica full of water. Clean, pretty water around through town. And yet still, a lot of people don't have water. Proper pipe water in them pipe. An election will come up soon and they are going to run behind politicians. But, you know, yeah, see bus park over there so now, I assume. Yeah, that must be a bus park over there so now. Yeah, so I didn't never cross the road again, which I did already. We're going to cross again. Let me see. Yeah, what does it look like a bus park now, thieves? Yeah. Yeah, this vehicle have one light because one knockout. But if the police ain't catch her, she's gonna get a ticket for that. Not having one light. And having one light. But Mr. Thieves, the vehicle don't stop for you, so you have to walk out night. Let them stop for you. Yeah. So you cross the street in Jamaica. Not telling you to do it. Don't walk out into the vehicle. You gotta take precaution. Yeah. Yeah, so this must be the bus park now. You see, peeps, something that's have to use your, I would say now, your senses. I'm not gonna say instinct. Because I say dogs have instinct, human being have sense. Human being have sense. So, yeah, the bus park over here, definitely. This is where the bus park. What's the Maxi? Yeah man, this is the bus park. I came over here the other day. Yeah, definitely a bus park. That. Alright, that's so definitely peeps. This is where the buses are parked. So let me come here and get one, go straight to Mobile. Or I have to take one, go to Chofalmouth and take one, go Mobile. Let me see how it works. Let's see how it works. Let me see. So go driver? Town, okay. No. Mobile. Alright. So up at the park. So they're going to Kingstown. Straight highway Kingstown. And it's Freeport. Freeport? No brother, no. Where's the Freeport? It's a Freeport, Sandy Bay. Freeport is in Clarendon. Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Huh? Yeah. I ain't heard yet, man. Hi, boss. Why, boss? Okay. Man, that's all. I'm not even once falling in my bus season because that's the thing with Jamaica. Other people, they don't want you to sit down in one bus with nobody in there. Alright. Alright. I hate middle seats. Come on, middle seat. Is someone said I'm middle seat? And one thing, you know, I hate to be programmed. I don't know why I'm talking about middle seat. I'm gonna like middle seat face. Holy smoke! Oh, that's my money. That money, please. That money fell out. How much money that? Alright, bitch. Sorry. What's your name?
I think you need one of them seats up there, one of them.
What's the one?
Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along.